Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today gonna show you unbox of the Samsung Z Fold2 5G version. So first of all, let's take a look at the box. As you see, it's not the simple box as we used to know about on Fold. It's just like two boxes around the big box. As you see, on the left side we have a label with the information about image to image, and color mystic bronze, and memory 256 GB. Phone was made in Korea. Yep, in Korea, not China. And this is for European SIM card only, as it has special processor which it's different in the US. Okay, so let's take a look inside the box. One label and two label here. Okay. Z Fold, as you see, going here. Here we have a wonderful box, and we're gonna be open it. Change the shape of the future. Here is this. Change of the shape of the future. Okay, box of this phone is very nice. Wow. There is gonna be a paperwork here and the warranty card. I didn't see the key. Now let's take a look at this beauty. It's very big. Teeth, charger, and the notification about used phone and care product to don't destroy the LCD. Okay, so we need to remove this film from the phone. Okay, as we remove it, and the first step to close it. It's heavy. It has the logo Samsung on the left here. It seems to be like aluminum or metal. On the back side we have a frozen matte color which been like bronze or something like that. The three camera like in new S20. On the left side we have a hole for the SIM card, power on, volume. Upper side we have a speaker with the microphone, and downside we have speaker with the microphone too, and USB-C charger also been here. Okay, now it's gonna be time for the turning on. Wow, big screen, like a book. Okay, phone gonna be starting, and let's take a look inside the box. So the Galaxy Z Premier service, it's been here, and doesn't surprise me at all, because Samsung have only here the standard wall charger. It's standard, not the fast one. And in that much expensive phone we have only standard USB-C cable and standard AKG headset. It's not good, I think. In this case of Monet, I suppose to be here the wireless charger or a fast charger. Never mind. Let's take a look at the phone and make a first setup of it. So I'm gonna be prepared here, my logo here, and go. Let's take a choice language, and let's go. Connection to wireless. Connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, connected. Next. Now copy apps and data. Don't copy it. Skip for the Google account. More and accept. Google as a searcher. Skip anyway. Skip. Next. Done about the instruction. And here are the Z Fold2 and all of the specs. As you see on the LCD, we have seen the film. Okay, let's try to close it and look at the front. We have black glass here. Wow, with the full LCD here. As you see, here we have a standard standard smartphone. Of course, we can use the camera here. Okay, this is the most advanced camera of the Samsung. Of course, we can do the selfie. So as you see, on the front we have a full smartphone. On the back side there isn't any LCD. Okay. And if I open it, the back LCD is gonna be turned off. And this looks awesome. What if I do like this? Wow, it's been looks like Nokia N97, if you remember it. It looks good. Let's searching for something. Wow, it's strange. Okay, like this. It's been like laptop or something like that, like tablet, I don't know. It's freaky awesome. Okay, let's take a look at the camera at this side. Yep. It's very, very big. Strange thing. Okay, and of course we can do the selfie in this case. And I think it's all for the first impression of this phone. Wow, impressive. It's something new on the on the smartphones. One things I should check it is music. Yep. Let's take a look at some music and hear about it. Wow, this song is pretty amazing. This is the best songs on smartphone I have ever heard. Nice. Okay. Okay, guys. It's all for now. I hope the Z Fold2 is impressing you too. If yes, you can thumbs up, leave like, and see you by next video. Hey.